So, in one of my videos, I talked about how you can actually find good friends when you're a new kid in the town. So, imagine you immigrated or moved in another city or another country, and you're all alone, all by yourself. So, one of the things that you can do is actually go into clubs and join those clubs, or finding good communities like good library. You can just go and join and find good friends there. The people that are actually having same interest and same enthusiasm. It's like it's going to be great, because when you find those people, you have a lot to talk, and you can actually find good connections and good community to actually be among them and have fun. So, with all that being said, yesterday I was at a gym, and all of a sudden I was listening to a guy conversation with his friend, which was about a game that we both play, which is Dota 2. Anyway, not that big of a deal, but we had something in common: a gym and the same game that we are into it. So I just went forward and I asked, can I have your number? Because I'm like, these days I'm all playing with myself, but I like to just play with like some people that I know in person, and that's gonna be fun. And he was really into it, and he said, yeah, of course, why not? And we said, all right, we'll set up some time and we can just play together. But all of a sudden, when we start speaking, we found out that that game is not the only thing that we have in common. There are a lot of other things that we share, from our favorite movie, our favorite country, our favorite food, and favorite concept, favorite thinking, and logic, and all that different thing. And it was a fantastic conversation. All of a sudden, you're talking to a guy that you met 5 minutes ago, and now you have a big thing in common that you can talk about it like all the time. And that was amazing. These days I'm really struggling with programming, and he was a programmer as well, and he could actually introduce me to some place that I can go and just be a bit of intern to actually learn more. And that was amazing, that how a place that in your life, which you're into it, you can go and join and find people that are gonna just amaze you. It's like you are all of a sudden you're into a place that you can talk to people with common interests, and that was amazing. I couldn't really appreciate more of the fact that when you're a new kid in the town and you can go and join to these communities, and you can find good people that are really good to you, this can totally change your day. And since I was talking to that guy, I feel really good, and that's amazing. I started my day really bad because I was sleepy and I was so tired. But when I went to his office and we shared this 2 hours of talking, afterwards I felt amazing. It was like, wow. It's like out of the blue, you found a guy with the same interests, with kind of like sharing same personality character as well, and that was amazing. So can we find some life lessons here? Go to the gym, exercise. It's gonna be amazing. No, that's just like a joke. But anyway, it was a fun experience. I just wanted to share it here. That this day I found a very good friend, and that was amazing. All right, that's life. It's life, and it's beautiful. All right, see you later.